Time's currently 2:13. I still have not eaten anything. We had to run so many errands this morning, and I definitely don't have enough time. Well, I do have time, but I don't have the patience right now to cook myself, so we're just gonna stop by Chipotle and grab a quick bite. Brown rice, but no rice on the salad. Black beans for both, yeah. Beef for both. Extra corn for both. A little bit of cheese on both. Guac on both, and lettuce on both. Chipotle bag secured. Can't wait to eat. So I got a bowl for my mom with brown rice, but I got no rice, only salad. Period. So I'm visiting my mom in Texas, so that's why there's like background sound. First bite. Chipotle is still amazing without the rice. So I also went ahead and gave half to my uncle just so I can cut my portions down. Time's currently 7:59, almost 8 o'clock. So the last time I ate was around like 2:30. I just came back from driving, so I'm starving, and today I'm planning to make some salmon asparagus. I bought this last night at Walmart for $8, which is not that bad. And I have a whole bunch of asparagus. I think it was only like $2 for this many. I'm also gonna add some lemon. Actually, okay, you know what? I know what I'm gonna make. I'll surprise you guys. The dish that I'm making, you need to use this oyster sauce. Trust me, that's all you need, and it's gonna be amazing. So I didn't know my mom didn't have a cap, like a lid for the pan, so I'm just gonna unfortunately put this over where it's at as a cap. Yep. Sorry, I'm not aesthetic. It's like sweet and savory, and the fish is cooked perfect. And you have to eat like a bite with the asparagus. I can eat this every day. I'm gonna do a sausage with egg combo. Burger. Time is currently 8:16 and I'm starving. Ow. Again. Mom, are you hungry? Are you hungry?
No.
Whatever. I'm hungry. So tonight is steak and salad night, which I'm the most excited for, but one bad news is I ordered konjac noodle. If you guys know what that is, it's basically like fake carbs noodle. The person that delivered it lost my package, so unfortunately we won't be having any konjac noodle. So I also got the Skinny Girl balsamic vinaigrette, and it's only 5 calories per 2 tablespoons. Gotta grab a piece of steak with a salad. So it's my first time trying Skinny Girl, and it's actually really good. This to me was perfectly done. I'm full. I still have this much left, but I'm gonna save it for tomorrow. Came to help my mom start extra early today. Still haven't gotten a chance to eat breakfast, but gosh, I'm breaking out. But I'm planning to make some eggs and sausage again because it was so good. Look at all this food that I can't eat. If I wasn't on this diet, I would totally eat some pork chop and rice. My favorite patty. It's 12:32 right now. So I woke up hungry and didn't eat until 5 hours later. Combo bite. So today I actually cooked a little bit less than the first day. And I'm really full. So apparently my package was left at this RV resort. FedEx just gave me a call. So I'm gonna go check if it's there, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it's there because I really want to make some pasta with these konjac noodles. So good news, it was in fact delivered to the wrong address. It was delivered to this resort. Time is currently 8:31 and I have not eaten yet. I'm actually dying from hunger, so I'm just gonna whip up something really quick, and I'm definitely gonna use the American noodles that I got today. So typically I would use the whole pack and it would be enough for me and my friend. So I guess today I'm gonna do half. I'm making pasta like this from now on. The basil really adds a nice touch to this whole thing. I'm also having the Gold Peak tea, but with 0 sugar. I'm hungry, yay, yay, yay. I'm not cooking today, my uncle is. And he's cooking some ribs and fish. So it's looking like no carbs. Time is 8:30 and we're going to Texas Roadhouse finally. I'm freaking starving. I feel like I've been starving like every single day in Texas. I'm gonna drive there. Why, Kui? I'm gonna drive there. Period. So I'm gonna get the 2-ounce bone-in ribeye. For the 2 sides, I'm probably gonna get a house salad and a butter corn. This looks so good. I'm just gonna take one bite just to try it. This looks so fire. And this corn looks so fire. This is his shrimp, but he gave it to me. But I'm gonna try it with some of this Texas Roadhouse steak sauce. So their sauce literally tastes like A1, but sweeter, which is pretty good. Now I'm gonna try a shrimp. Ask for A1 because I low-key like A1 more. Okay guys, I'm done. I'm officially full, maximum 100% full. Let me show you what I have left. So I only ate one shrimp and like this portion of my steak and a little bit of corn. But I think I ate a lot of my salad. That's probably why I'm so full. It's the next morning. For breakfast, I'm just gonna finish my leftover steak with a cup of tea, and then around 3 o'clock I'm gonna head to the airport because it's time to go home. Update, so I actually missed my flight yesterday. Right now it's like 7:57. My flight is at 8:50. I came extra early today just in case there were any accidents again. But last night for dinner, I ended up eating some ribs. I'm pretty hungry, but I don't really feel like grabbing something to eat because everything looks really like fast food here. So I'm just gonna wait until I get back to New York to eat. So I got home, I got changed, and we're eating hot pot for dinner at this place called Chongqing Laozhao, which is pretty fire. My friend Helen put me on and I can't stop coming here. This is the spot where the hot pot goes. I'm gonna go to the sauce area. It's so cute. Even the spoons are like old time spoons. Look at how cute this cup is. Ow, it burns. So cute. And look at this. It's like so like Chinese vintage. I love this. So you put in the broth, and this is the beef tongue. I'm gonna put it with some sauce.